Hey Sabi here, straight to the point. This video is about the best affiliate marketing strategy with no audience, right? And this is strategy one. I actually a couple of more strategies which I will discuss in future videos, right? So make sure to subscribe if you want to watch those. So the first strategy without an audience would be, creating a review videos, right? Review videos are excellent because you do not really have to have an audience to promote to, right? People will find you. Okay, if you upload it onto YouTube, people will search for that product review, they will watch your review video, and they will buy it from you, making you affiliate commissions. So where to find these softwares or tools to create reviews on? So that is these these websites called Futurepedia, AppSumo, or impact.com. People are making a ton of money. I'm actually going to provide an example as well, so make sure to keep watching. All right, so first of all, let's just go to AppSumo. So this is what AppSumo looks like, and you can see all these softwares that you can actually go ahead and promote. All right, there's courses, there's stuff. Okay, so if I click on software here, right, you can actually shop by category: operation, marketing and sales, build it yourself, media tools. So whatever your interest is in, you create a channel on that and just keep posting these software review videos, right? So my interest is in mostly marketing and sales. Okay, so I click on that and you will see more subcategories pop up, right? Content marketing, e-commerce, email marketing, lead generation. All right, so you can go and see all these softwares which has ratings, and you can see a lot of reviews for these softwares, right? So this one particularly has 465 reviews, so you can actually go ahead and check that out. So this is a program called Squarely SEO. So a search engine optimization can be a tough nut to crack. So this is basically an SEO tool, right, that helps people, and there's 465 reviews that gave them 5 tacos. That means 5 stars on AppSumo, right? So this is a pretty good tool. So this is a great tool to actually create a review on and then post onto YouTube. So what you need to do is you need to join AppSumo affiliate program here, right? So if you browse down below, you can see affiliates. Okay, so if I click on that, you will go to the page called get paid every time a customer, become an AppSumo affiliate. You click on that and it will take you to Impact, right? This website I mentioned, it is a network where all these affiliate programs congregate, right? So you can go and create a become a Sumo affiliate, become an affiliate, sign up, 5 minutes to complete, and you will be able to promote all the softwares that AppSumo has and make a good commission. And there are no shortage of content. If I go back furthermore, there's like tons and tons of softwares. You sorted out how many reviews one has, and it can be a great place to start. Second place that you can find these tools is called Futurepedia. In here you will be finding, you can check the categories, right? AI productivity tools. If you're in productivity, like a spreadsheet, research, personal assistant, then you can do it. This is mostly into the AI category. So there is AI video tools that you can review, AI business tools, website builders, marketing, finance, right? Automation tools, workflows, AI agents. So let's go ahead and take a look at AI business tools, right? So maybe website builders. All right, so if I click on website builders, you will see all these website builders that you can use that has a great affiliate program. So for example, maybe let's check marketing blogs. All right, I never opened it, so let's just click on that. I will open that up and I will visit this site, right? And I will check whether this website, this marketingblogs.ai, has an affiliate program or not, right? You can see it has pretty good ratings, and you can check on Google whether it is getting good search volume or not. All right, I am here in the page of marketing blogs. If I browse down below, we need to look if this has an affiliate program. So you can see there is no affiliate program here, so that's okay. We go back, we check another product. So let's just check at this video.ai, transform video content into viral, which has 458 bookmarks or so. So there are people actually visiting this, right? So we click on visit site, and if you go below, there should be an affiliates somewhere. There we go, affiliate programs, right? Do you see this? Affiliate programs. You click on that, you join the affiliate program, and you will be able to make money. So what you're basically doing is you are finding your category that you like, you are joining the affiliate programs, you're creating review videos without showing your face. All right, and you are going to use AI to make this easier, right? You will be modeling others' reviews to your own advantage, so that you do not have to come up with all the content yourself. I will show you that in a sec. All right, and then you upload it onto YouTube, and there you go. So if I go here, let's take an example of a channel called LearnWire, and this is a faceless review channel, right? It reviews AppSumo, AI tools, everything, and it actually made $440,000, right? And I'm not getting these numbers up my you know what. So I will tell you where I got those numbers from, right? So this is a channel, and this channel is run by David Mills, right? A friend of mine, a mentor of mine. So you can see all the videos that he's doing. Marquee AI, that's a review. Trickle AI review, right? While Lovable AI is crushing. These are all review tutorials, reviews, right? Reviews. You can see 6 best tools. Ad Alchemy versus Adsby. So this is pretty good. Let's look at Adsby. Maybe it is there. Adsby, there we go. Ad Alchemy, Adsby, both are available in AppSumo. So he's creating a lot of AppSumo reviews. He made that his main niche, and he's just doing that, right? You can see he has worked pretty hard. He has great work ethic. He actually made like almost 660 videos, and he made like, he's probably more than $500,000 up as of now, I believe. Right, this is his channel here. This is his another channel called David Mills, and if you browse down below, you can see this video called How I Made 440k with YouTube Affiliate Marketing Revealed, right? This, he is talking about this channel that he created. He focused on it, zeroed in on it, and worked hard on it. Now if you want to create the level of content that he creates, right, it's very simple, right? It's a video that like I am creating right now, right? It's just recording your screen and just talking about the software, like I'm talking about his channel right here, right? Or like I'm talking about the strategy right here. Okay, so let's just take a look at how you can replicate it. All right, so for example, he did an Adsby review, right? So you can go and search for, so you can go to AppSumo, join their affiliate programs, and then what you can do is you can create, a review similar to him, but not copy, right? For example, let's just take a look at this Adsby review here. So what you need to do is you can watch the review first up and see, get the feel how he does his reviews, what kind of reviews convert, so that you can model your channel after him. And then what you can do is, if you want to, for example, if you want to create a same review like he's doing, Adsby review, right? What you can do is you can click on description, right? And you can click on this button right here that is called show transcript. Click on it, and it will show on the right hand side all the transcript. Okay, what you can do is either you can copy. First of all, let's toggle timestamp so it goes away. And what you can do is you can actually hold your right click and just copy everything, all right, and save it on Notepad. Or else you can actually go and search for YouTube transcript download, right? Search for that, and you will find a couple of websites. So here I can click on the first one, and then I can copy the link here, and then I can go ahead and paste it here, right? Paste it, and it will get me all the transcript. So that website was taking a little bit while, so I went back and clicked on the second link, and I added the link here and actually downloaded the text. So it works just fine, and this is what it looks like. Now here I'm in ChatGPT, and what you can do is you can write a very simple prompt. So I want to create a review video on Adsby software, and I have a video that I'm referencing to create it. I want it to be unique, so help me with the video outline and content. I am attaching the video transcript to take inspiration from. So you can go ahead and attach the text file here. There we go. And it will attach it, and ChatGPT will be able to read it and come up with a response. Let's see what it comes up with. So within a second, ChatGPT gave you the whole outline, right? Here is a unique outline and content plan for your Adsby review video, making it more engaging. And you can see, right, hook. It actually tells you, what can be the hook, right? Fast-paced montage of Google Ads dashboard has been action. If you don't know how to edit or those things, so you do not need to take everything ChatGPT says, right? Do everything ChatGPT says. just do it simple. Okay, so struggling to manage your Google ads efficiently, meet Adsby. You can introduce like meet Adsby, show the sales page, show the software, and then you can go ahead and get the video outline. So first of all, you talk about what is Adsby, right? You can actually take this out and modify it according to your personal taste, right? Personal style. There are key feature breakdown, you can do that. Hands-on demo, so show them the demo quickly, right? Pros and cons of it, what you think, right? Pricing breakdown, show the price, final verdict, call to action, right? Pretty simple video outline that you got there, and it takes the guesswork away, and you will be easily be able to use AI to make this easier, and you will be able to create a video, nice little review video, and just create a channel just like this for this strategy, and people will find you, right? They will search for Adsby reviews. So for example, this one Adsby review here, right? We are taking this example. So if you go here, you can see the first video is come from LearnWire, right? You can go ahead and never struggle with Google Ads again, Dave Swift. Let's just take a look at what the channel is, right? So you can research like this. You get one channel and then you find several other channels like that, right? And this guy is another reviewer of all the tools, right? He does AppSumo as well, and you can see he has about 400 videos, 27,000 subscribers, and I'm pretty sure he is making thousands of dollars every single month by just doing simple reviews. So guys, that is a strategy. Let me know if you have any questions in the comment section, and I will see you in the next strategy video. So make sure to subscribe, and I will see you in the next video.